JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon is selling some of his stock in the bank for the first time in his 18 years at the helm. That's according to the company on Friday, which said the share sale would take place next year. The billionaire banker and his family intend to sell 1 million of the 8.6 million shares they own, according to a regulatory filing. The sale would fetch $141 million and leave them with more than $1 billion in stock based on Thursday's closing price. It will account for less than 10% of Dimon's holdings, which also includes stock options and other shares that haven't vested. Investors sometimes view top executives selling shares as a bad sign. JP Morgan said Dimon is selling the stock for financial diversification and tax planning purposes, and that he continues to believe the company's prospects are very strong. A management consultant focused on capital markets told Reuters the sale makes perfect sense, but pointed out Dimon has become more negative and quite bearish in his rhetoric, so the sale doesn't look good. Shares of JP Morgan Chase fell 2% in morning trading.
We have an important consumer alert tonight about the recall of nearly 1 million pressure cookers after 17 people suffered burns. Federal regulators say the inner pots of the cookers may be mismarked, leading people to overfill them, causing hot pressurized foods to then be blasted out of the pots. The Insignia brand multi-function cookers were sold at Best Buy and through Amazon going back to October of 2017.
The U.S. military has released video of yet another Chinese fighter jet harassing and flying dangerously close to a U.S. military plane. Officials say this happened Tuesday over the South China Sea, the Chinese jet coming within 10 feet of the American B-52. The Pentagon says the Chinese military has made similar reckless maneuvers on U.S. planes more than 180 times in the past 2 years. China claims most of the sea as theirs, but the U.S. says it's international waters.